From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Welcome to our last Wednesday morning communications shift of the semester. Salix, it was a fun one, but It seems like the semester really flew by.
You know, honestly, came here in August, and I can't believe it's already December.
Yeah, it was amazing how fast the semester went. We have a lot of weather to talk about today. We actually have Brian Sizik braving the conditions out there for us. Brian.
Thanks, guys, and I am up on the roof of the Walker building right now. Good morning, everybody, and it is a lot colder than it was yesterday. It was actually fairly mild yesterday, but this morning there is a bite to the air. The wind is blowing. Let me show you the temperature map right now. As you can see, we're in the 20s and 30s for most of the state. You can see that colder air off to the north and to the west, and check out this temperature change. Much of the area 15 to 20 degrees colder than it was yesterday at this time, and Erie, Pittsburgh over 20 degrees colder than it was yesterday at this time. So you can see that cold air behind the cold front has moved in, and you can see that cold front on radar and satellite moving out. You can see some colder, drier air moving in right behind that front, and that's what is going to be sticking with us for a while now. We're going into a major pattern change, and now let's throw it back into the studio to find out just how long this cold pattern will last.
Thanks, Brian, for that brisk update to our morning. Now get inside fast.
We now have an update on any precipitation that we might receive in the coming days with Will Budak.
Well, thanks, Chris. And as Brian mentioned earlier, we are right now under some cloud cover here in State College. But as we move through the day, that is going to move off to our east. But we are going to have a northwest flow, which is actually going to kick into gear that wake effect machine. That is going to be bringing some clouds and some flurries to the northwest portion of the state today and through Friday morning. And with that northwest flow, we are going to be getting some much colder temperatures as we're going to focus here on this cold air mass up in Canada. That's going to be what is bringing our cold air for the rest of this week. As we can see, as we move further into the week, we're going to be getting into 18 over here in Buffalo. And even on through the weekend, we're going to get even colder down into the teens. So definitely bundle up for the rest of the weekend. But thankfully today, we're going to be seeing temperatures in the low 40s. It's going to be a little windy out today, so it is going to feel a little bit cooler than what the temperature says it is. And that trend is actually going to continue into the evening tonight, 27, but again, winds, that is going to make it feel a little bit colder, so definitely bundle up tonight, and definitely keep the jackets out for tomorrow, because we're going to be barely getting into the upper 30s tomorrow. Going to be cooler, sunny, and it's going to be gusty winds again, so it is going to feel cooler than 37 degrees tomorrow. Now let's kick it back to Chris.
Well, thanks, Will. I don't think I'm ready for the cold yet, but thanks for the update.
And now let's head over to Callan as she gives us an insight on our 7-day forecast.
Thanks, Alex. As Brian already said for today, much cooler than yesterday, a high of only 43 degrees. And that seems to be the same story for the rest of the week, partly sunny skies. And then getting into Saturday, we do have a slight chance of snow, a high of 36 degrees. And then into Sunday, our high is only 29, cloudy skies throughout the day. Into Monday, those mostly cloudy skies are back again. And then Tuesday, we do have another chance for some snow flurries, high of 32.
Thanks, Callan, for that update. It's really been a blast having all of you guys in my first Campus Weather Service shift.
From all of us at the Wednesday morning Campus Weather Service shift, have a great holiday season.